So once we have the skeleton of your program set up here, your basic program, we are going to comment out what we're going to do first. It's always great to comment because you're going to come back to your code later on and wonder what you're looking at. So what's best to do is to write a note at the top what the program does. So anytime you open this or someone else opens this, they just know what they're looking at right away. So we are going to create what's called a multi-line comment here. And you see we have the forward slash and then the star, the asterisk, and that's how we start a comment. And so we can write anything that we want in between these lines. Okay, so we'll just describe this project. So this is called the where you at, and what it does is it asks user for name and location and says it back. Perfect. Now we're going to use single line comments to plan out our program. And it's always best to write your program kind of in English to think about what you're going to program before just jumping in. I know it's going to seem oversimplistic with these early programs, but it's a great habit to keep going forward as you start working on more complex things. So in our main function, what we're going to do first is we are going to ask the user for their name. And as you can see, I've done this double forward slash here to indicate a single line comment. If I move down to the next line and I start typing anything here, no longer a comment. You can see the color has changed. So we're going to ask the user for their name, and then we're going to have the user input their name. I'm going to say it back. I'm going to say the name back. And then we'll do the same for location. Alright, and so that is commenting, and again, very simple here. In the future, your comments should really just cover a few things. They should say why you made a decision, how your function or program works, and what someone should or should not do with a function or your code. Thank you so much for watching our video today. If it was helpful or you enjoyed it, please like or subscribe.